I just found the game that I was going to play.
Okay. So um so last week we sort of finished this game. Okay. So if you guys downloaded the latest one from GitHub, you guys can hear me, right? Okay. You can download it
Yes.
from the latest one from GitHub. So I added a splash screen in the beginning. So that's background. That's a bit of a background, and then yeah, and then can continue lah. So I'm going to continue to improve
I
this.
just had a question. Why are we doing this in a restaurant?
I don't know. So I'm going to continue to improve this from time to time. So, and you guys can look the source code from GitHub lah. Okay. So for now, we're done with this one first. So we're going to start a new one. So today we're going to start a new one. So if you open up GitHub, you open up Godot. There's a new student today.
Oh, hey, a new student.
Hold on.
Hello.
Aisha.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Have you downloaded Godot? Do you know to download Godot?
Yes. I did.
Okay.
I don't know anything though.
It's okay. We all start from the beginning. So tonight we're going to start a new game, right? So when you first start Godot, okay, when we first start Godot, it come up to this screen. Okay, so we're going to create a new project. So you just create a new project here. New project. Okay, so and then from here we can choose where we're going to put the file. So you guys can just use the default, but I'm going to put it into our current GitHub Godot class folder. Okay, and then I'm going to call the project name. Okay, your FoodCrush. Okay, I'm going to call the project name FoodCrush. So the idea is it's going to be a sort of like a Candy Crush kind of clone. Okay, so once we have created the first project just now, it will come up to this scene. Okay, now for our node here, root node here, we create a 2D scene. So you click here, 2D scene. Okay, so this will be our main apa namanya scene root node lah. So we'll call this the game lah. Or maybe just FoodCrush. I don't know. I'll just call it the game. Okay. All right. So, and then once you have created this scene, you can just save, go to scene, and then it will save based on the node that we saved just now. The node name. Okay. Everybody got that far so far? Okay. Right. Okay. The reason why I wanted to create FoodCrush is because we are going to use the graphics that we already had before this. So I sure wouldn't have it yet. You can let me just see the and share with you the graphics so that you can just download it. Mm, hold on. Oh, seem to find it.
Hello?
Yes, it's all.
Nothing.
Yeah. Let me just try to find back the link the other day. Okay. Here is a, we can get this. Right. Okay. So can you try to download this file? Okay. As for the others, I need you guys to just copy the images folder from the previous game. From our memory game. You can copy the images folder. Put it into the root folder for the FoodCrush. So if you copy in the folder, yeah, so it will come up over here. How far? How far there? How far tadi hilang? Okay. Aisha, were you able to download from the link that I gave just now? Okay. Once you have downloaded it, you extract the folder. I think in Windows you can just right click extract the folder. And then you copy the folder. You copy what you will do is something like this. You will right click and then copy, and then in Godot, okay, in Godot, you right click and then you open in file manager. That one will open the FoodCrush folder. And then you can right click paste. Naim, Alfa,
Waalaikumsalam.
malam ni kita start project baru. Tonight we start new project.
Oh.
Tu lah. So, you know how to do it, right? You go back to there.
Make a new one.
Yeah. So at the Godot project manager, you click new project. And then you fill in the name and where you want to choose which folder you want to put it in. So just now we already chose to name it FoodCrush. Yes, Aisha, you copy into the file system. So we call it FoodCrush, and then you create a 2D node. We call it game, and then you save the scene.
What should I call it?
The game itself, we call it FoodCrush. FoodCrush. This is going to be
No, I did not.
oh, the node. The note, just call it game.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah, the note, just call it game. And then you save the scene.
Then.
Okay, once you save the scene, I need you to import the images from the previous game. You still have the images, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in
New folder.
yeah. So you can right click in the images folder, you just copy, and then inside FoodCrush too, you can right click, open in file manager, and then you just paste. Right click, paste. Okay. Boleh?
Oh.
Yusuf, how you doing, Yusuf?
Good.
You already copied the image into the folder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ya, macam mana nak itu?
Macam mana, macam mana? You want to share your screen?
Wait. Kena browse ke?
Ah,
Ah,
you will just share your screen.
ya.
Okay. No need for this. Oh, you haven't created the game yet. Okay. Um. FoodCrush dah ada. Try to close this. Close this dialog. Okay. You click create folder though. Yeah. Okay. Now you create and edit. Okay. You click on the 2D scene. No, on the left. At the root node though. Dah. You rename it to game. Okay, you save it. No, you just save the scene. Go to scene, the menu scene. No, the menu scene up here. Save. Okay.
And then
And then you need to copy the previous game images folder.
maksudnya saya kena buka lagi satu lah.
The previous game, you know where the folder is?
Um, no,
You don't know?
no.
Okay. Then need to open the nila, open the game. Go to project. The menu
Hmm.
project. Quit to project list. Quit to project list. Okay. And then open. What's that? The previous one? Call it download.
And
Okay, yeah, it's this is the previous one. Okay. So Alpha.
yeah.
So what you do here, Alpha,
Hmm.
here, you right click. Yeah. Open in file manager. No, this one you close first.
This one?
Close it. This was probably an old one. No. This one you close.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's already open, but maybe it's one of the. Is there oh, salah. iOS ni sangat user friendly. Ada. Kalau you right click, boleh dekat sini. Yeah, right click, open in file manager. You click here. Tu. Wait. Ni apa benda ni? Contents.
Hmm.
Resources ni ada apa?
Tak tahu.
This is not it. Nope, that's not it. Back. You click there. Okay. From there, right click. Open in file manager. Cannot lah. Alpha, why don't you try to download from the link that I give just now? Can you scroll up in the chat?
Nope.
You cannot scroll up in the chat.
No, I only can see
Let me
I
just
copy it into
repaste the link, and then you can just download it and extract into the folder lah. Stop sharing Alpha. Okay, try to download from there, Alpha. Daripada chat. Cuba tengok dalam chat ada.
Ada.
In the chat. There's a link.
Image. Yang ni kan yang image tu.
Image zip tu.
Bawa semua.
Download and then extract, copy into the FoodCrush folder.
Ya.
How about the others? The others 8
I got the images.
Lokman? Not yet. Not yet. As in you haven't got the images yet, or you haven't created the project, or what?
I can import the
You can't
the
import the
food.
images.
Huh.
Okay. Let's try to see whether we can help you out. Okay, try to share your screen. Okay, so this one, we already create the food crusher. Okay, I need you to save this first. Go to the scene, save.
Save scene. Control S.
Okay, just save. Okay. Okay, next. You can try to copy from the previous game. You right click on rest though. Open file manager. Okay, go back. Where was the previous game? Was it there?
This one, right?
Yeah. So it has the images folder, right? No, go back in there. Oh, you already made your folder with trouble everywhere. Okay, I think it's better you need again. Download again. Go to the chat inside Zoom. Download new one.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stop sharing first, and then you can go to the chat, download new one, and then it'll be easier if you have just that one folder inside rather than where everything's combined together.
Download in FoodCrusher folder.
Yes,
Oh,
you download extract inside the FoodCrusher folder.
okay.
Salahuddin is no longer joining us. Huh? Okay. So Okay, you got it. All right. Okay. So what we're going to do now is the easiest way for us to do this is to do it in the most direct way lah. We just create each tile of the game manually. Okay, so that we'll be able to easily place our tile properly lah. So the reason why I call it FoodCrush is just so that we can use back the images of the food here. So we don't have to look for any kind of picture of a diamond or whatever. We just use the food picture. Okay. So if we were to play Candle Crush ke apa benda tu nak ni, what we would have is that there's going to be a grid of items that you crush, right? So it'll be like 5 by, I'm not sure, I think 5 by 10 or something, 5 by 8 probably. Okay, so we're going to create that. So first, the easiest way is we're just going to drag this one. Okay, so you choose any of the food picture that you want, you just drag it in. Okay, can we have a grid? Oh, we can have a grid, huh? Oh, this will be even easier. Okay, right, this is even easier. You guys can drag out the grid from the sides here. Uh, no, this is not gonna work. Sorry guys, this is not gonna work. This is going to be too much. Because we have to change a few things. Okay, first you drag out your picture of any of the food that you want. Okay, second thing is that we're not going to use this size. We have to make it a bit bigger. Okay, so we make it a bit bigger by going to here, transform. Okay, and then scale. This one we're going to make it, we're going to try maybe 3 times bigger. So make this 3 by 3. Yeah. So 3 times bigger should be okay.
So basically, that block.
Okay, and then you can drag. Oh no, you need to drag. You can copy paste now. There you go. Okay, so you can copy and then you can paste or Control C, Control V. I wish I have chosen some other food.
My royal loaves don't work.
Your what doesn't work?
My royal loaves can't be a full 3 by 3.
Okay. Then I'm going to choose some other food.
I just thought of like a match
This
game.
one I'm going to change to a dumpling. This one I might change to a curry. Yeah. This one I might change to a hot dog. Turn the mac cheese to a jam. Okay. And then we copy, paste. One more. Or maybe a lemon pie. Okay.
I figured out how to make them exactly 3. E by 3.
And then try to get it aligned as well as you can. Okay, if you need, you can pull out the nail just to get it a bit aligned there so that they look more or less the same. Okay. Mm, right. So then once it's aligned, you can copy and paste the whole line. So then we can have multiple lines here. Copy and paste, copy and paste. This is the simplest, most direct route lah. Oh no. Oh yeah. Okay. So that should be it. That should work. That's a 5x6. Yeah, that should work. What? You can select the whole row at the same time. Copy paste one whole row at a time.
How?
You can
I made a bread and
select
milk.
like that, and then copy. Right click copy, and then you can paste. Yes, Control V. Okay. You drag it. Just yeah, you just move it. Once you selected it, you can drag it along. If you can't drag it, make sure you select up here. Select mode. How do you copy? Okay. You just select what you want to copy, and then the easiest way is just use keyboard.
I
Control
can't
C
select.
and then Control V. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. It doesn't work. You want to share your screen agak? Okay. You can move it. There. Yeah. Okay. And then paste again. Control V again. Now move that. Oh, you got to select back there. Yeah. Select all of it. From 10 to 15. No, you cannot select from there. You got to select from here. Yeah. You shouldn't select 10, no. 10 to is the other one. You select from 11. Yeah. Yeah, okay. You move that. Okay. Now you gotta click on the picture lah.
I got 5 pieces of bread.
Okay. Lokman, you able to copy?
I finished.
Not yet. Why not yet? You wanna share your screen?
Okay. Control C.
Okay, because you already have a lot there on the left though. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. So no.
Okay, here.
Up there. There.
I found out you can use the arrows to move it up.
So you can
Up and
select
down.
some of it. Try to select. That one is where? Where is that? Hey, maybe just undo first. Control Z. Can you undo? Control Z. No. Control Z. Okay, dah. Okay. Right. So from here, you select all.
Like this.
Yes. And then Control C, Control V. No. Okay, undo again. Okay. You select again. Select all. Control C. And then after that, you click the food crusher. No. Undo. Control Z. Okay, you click the food crusher node. No.
Click. Now.
No, that node. Food crusher node. No. On the left though. The food crusher node. Okay. Now you paste. Control V. Okay. Now you move. Okay.
Oh.
Now you select back the food crusher node, no?
Control
Control
V.
V. Okay, now you move. Like that.
Oh.
So that'll be easier. Okay. Now once you have missed it, you have to move on the left. You have to select from the left. So scroll down. Select, and then you press Control, and then click the others. No, don't move it like that.
Like this.
Yeah, because you have already moved that burger under the bun. So that burger has become part of the bun punya punya node.
And then control V.
Control Z to undo. Control Z to undo.
Hai. Control Z.
Control Z to undo. Control Z.
Hai.
Okay. Okay. So now you select. Scroll down. Scroll down. You select the burger. You press burger and then okay, yes, like that. Okay, press burrito, press okay. Now you move this. You go no. In the middle. Dekat gambar dia. Select burger tu. Select burger.
Ni.
Select burger tadi.
Oh.
Okay. Pergi ke gambar dia, tarik.
Hai.
Tak payah tekan control je lah.
Sekejap.
Pergi ke gambar dia, tarik. Oh,
Tak jadi apa pun.
kenapa jadi macam tu?
And then just pull right. Oh.
Okay. Patutnya one more row lah. Betul lah. You can paste just one more row. Pergi balik ke FoodCrusher tadi. Control V. No need to copy already. It's still inside your ni. Okay. Alright. Susunkan ini dulu lah. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you can use the arrow keys to more delicately control. Then
We just have 5 dishes sitting on our screens now.
Alpha macam mana Alpha? Dapat what?
No, I don't know how to copy.
You don't know how to copy?
No.
Want to share your screen?
Yes.
Tu ada?
Tak, saya tak tahu copy. Saya copy macam ni je. Copy atas.
Okay. Okay. Alpha?
Ya.
Okay, I'm not sure Mac OS ni. Tapi you can drag the ni right. Dekat gambar dia, tak dekat tengah tu. Kalau you bukan drag macam tu. You buat selection, you pilih dekat luar, drag banyak-banyak sekaligus. Macam tu. Tapi pilih satu row. Pilih satu row. You got to cover everything. The whole row. Okay. And then kalau ni copy paste untuk ni. Tapi copy. Okay. And then you click kat game tu. Dekat node game. Right click paste. Okay. And then you can move. That one you can move. Okay. Like that. Okay. And then you click balik dekat game tadi. Right click paste. Okay. And then you can move. Once you dah termiss tu, you kena move. Guna tu lah.
Yang purple ni apa?
Yang purple ni tadi ada dia punya apa nama ni? Grid punya ni. If you want to get rid of it, dekat belah kiri. Kalau dekat belah kiri purple tu. Afan, let me just share my screen and show it's easier. Okay, yang purple tadi is if you have pulled the grid ni. So the grid ni is untuk supaya kita mana kalau kita nak buat alignment, kita nak make sure betul-betul apa ni sama apa semua kan. Jadi kita boleh buat sebagai rujukan lah. Kita nak padamkan balik, kita boleh klik dekat dia punya hujung tepi ni. Bila dia jadi arrow tu kita boleh gerakkan. You can move it out of the screen and it will just disappear lah.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
So the last thing I think we will be able to do tonight is we need to start renaming all of this so that the name too would more or less reflect its position. Okay, supaya nanti later when we start programming is much more easier lah. So we want it to be, this is position 1, 1. Okay, so when you click the picture, okay, so this one I want to call it food underscore 1 underscore 1. Okay, this one I want to call it food 1, 2 underscore 1 underscore 2. Okay, so this one we'll call it food 1, 3. This one food 1, 4, and this one food 1, 5. Okay, and then down here we will call it food 2, 1. Food 2, 1. Okay, and then we continue for the rest. Okay, when you guys are more experienced with programming and everything, the easier way to do this is to just create an array, and then you can set the size to whatever size you want. But this is the more easier direct way lah untuk ni. Okay. Yeah, the basics. For now, we do it manually, Aisha. Fine. One. Okay. 4, 5, 1. 4, 5, 2. 4, 5, 2. 4. 4, 6, 1. Mm. Mm. 6, 3, 6, 4, and 6, 5. Okay. So then we will have basically a grid of all of the food. So the first one will be the row. The first number is going to show the row, and the second number is going to show the column. The row and the column. Okay. So so this is all for tonight. Inshallah next week we will try to find a way to randomize all of this so that then we can have our game. Okay. So anybody that is already done with the renaming, then they can leave they can leave the class already. And anybody that needs help, just tell me lah. Yes, class is done for tonight. If you're done with the renaming, then you can leave already.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, welcome.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay, welcome. Bye bye. Okay, welcome. Baik, Kak. Okay, so see you next week.